Today is February 17th. For those of you who haven't been with me, I started a fishing challenge back in May. My goal was to try to get 500 fish. I'm at 496. Today I'm out with my Aldebaran BFS 2022. I got my kuying freestyle walker, 6'4" ultralight, 1 to 7 grams, line 2 to 6. I got it spooled up with Sunline sniper, 4-pound test. I went to Walmart, got some lures today. Couldn't find my other ones. It's a baby swimmer. The jig head is like 1.8 grams. I'm probably thinking like 2.5 grams total weight. The goal is today, and on this outing, is to get to 500. River looks like it's gone down a little bit, not a whole lot. It's still overcast, cloudy day. I don't think it's gonna rain, but oh, that was a fish out there. Get some fishing. Actually, I brought this rod out. I want to compare it to my wind shadow. I actually like my wind shadow, but this is another rod, a little longer. So let's give this a shot, and I'll give you my thoughts. Oh yeah, I caught one. A very big one. I almost lost my reel there. I didn't tighten it down properly. There we go. 497. Not a big one, but at least they're biting. There it is. I'm back in the water. Let's keep going. Oh, that was a bite. Let me show you this. I forgot how much I like this rod. So, if you're looking to get bait finesse gear, there's a company. It's Bait Finesse Empire. They're located in the U.S. So, like, this is where I got this rod from. I'm actually casting upstream. I'm just gonna really tight this cover. I got this rod from them. I got my Shimano Majestic, which is kind of more of a power BFS, but it still allows me to throw some of the other baits. I've got my Sayonara Aries rod. Oh, that's not good. My Sayonara Aries rod from them. They have if you're looking to get started, it's a good place to start. It's got a lot of, like I said, they're located in the U.S. So if you're looking for gear and stuff like that, it's a good place to. Got a nice selection of stuff. That's pretty good over here. Casting too tight to the cover. That's what we gotta do. Anyways, I got my Sunline Aries from them. My Shimano Majestic. This kuying freestyle walker. Eyeballing another rod. The Jackson telescoping rod, but I have to wait out mine. It's a little expensive, but I'm gonna keep going here. Let me just show you how this rod quick. It's 6'7", a little bit of a flick cast. I can get it out there. Nice rod. Like I said, it's 1 to 7 grams. I like the way this casts. We're gonna keep them going up down the shoreline, but definitely a decent rod. Oh, just had one I lost him. There we go. Got another one here. I ran it through this little area here. I just kind of let it. I think I was running it too high in the water column. Oh, Jesus. Where are you going? Where are you going? Stay. I'm gonna lose you, buddy. 498. Not a real big. Not big at all, but I'll take it. Get him back in the water. wash off my hands. Got me all slimed up. There it goes. I don't see, if you look at, I don't know if you can see in the water here, I don't see any. I think well, I know it's later in the morning. I missed the morning hatch, but I don't see any minnows or any activity on the edges here. At 498, we're gonna continue going here. Now I gotta run it through this little area right through here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna let it go down. I ran it through there a couple times. I had a couple of bites, so we're gonna continue running it through that little area here. Alright, so I fished this area, like I said, I don't see any activity of like any hatches or minnows. So in the water, my lure drops down about 4 or 5 inches. I can't see it, so I'm gonna switch over to something else. Let's take a look and see what we got. I think we need something with a little vibration. Maybe tone it into the lateral lines. Let's take a look here. So this is what I'm carrying. It's a water starter. We're gonna go to this 8-ounce spinner. You know what? Well, I'm gonna try that Panther Martin that I broke off the other day on the catfish. Now we're gonna use this 8-ounce spinner. Let's try that and see what happens. That tree again, but trying to turn on the camera. I should have got him out of the water first, but $4.99. It's tough. There's no activity on the edges. Doesn't mean they're not there. $4.99 underneath that tree again. Gonna release on this guy. As you can see here, you can see that. You can tell the river's still kind of high. This area doesn't overfill. It goes up to the dam. So you can see it's filled up. It's actually spilling up on here. Let's cross this little creek here. Actually, we're going to take this dam out. Let's give this a shot and see what we could do now. I went upstream. I see some bug activity here. I've been casting towards those bridge pilings. You can see where the watermark is. It's gone down a little bit, but she's high. And we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna end it at $4.99. That 500 fish is elusive. I'm gonna get one more cast towards the bridge piling. Let's cast up there. Perfect cast. They're just not biting. I'm gonna call it a day. See this area, I'm heading back, but